everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Shirley, Solihull, which is just south of Birmingham, and I'm at the Colebrook car park. Is one where you have to input your registration. If you don't, you will get a fine there. And obviously I'm here for the bowls. It's the bowling green. The long hot summer we're having at the moment. The green, like most of them, is very brown. And there's the last game on. It's a very popular pub. And good food. Not so expensive drinks for the time of year, and it's the end of August 2025. Just have a walk round and that's what they're in Homestead. Yes, it is. Very good friend memorial there. God bless Baz. Looking back at the pub and the clubhouse, home bowlers, big green, the raised crown in the centre, but lots of dips and hollows. If you are interested in my channel, there's lots of crown greens on there which I'm documenting as I'm going round. Give it a subscribe and a like, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.